everyone, I'm Patrick James Kiosiner from Batch 18. I learned a lot during my time in TESDA. It provided me with practical skills and knowledge that are essentials for my chosen field. The hands-on training and comprehensive lessons helped me understand the importance of hard work, discipline, and continuous learning. Portfolio taught me. During my time in TESDA, I gained valuable knowledge and skills that are greatly impacted my personal and professional development. The training programs were designated to provide hands-on experience, ensuring that I could apply what I learned in real-life situations. From technical expertise to problem-solving techniques, TESDA equipped me with the tools necessary to excel in my chosen field. Moreover, the instructors were highly skilled and supportive, guiding us through every step of the learning process. They The practical approach to learning made every session engaging and felt more confident with each passing day. TESDA did teach me technical skills. It also prepared me for the demands of the workforce by fostering professionalism and a strong work ethic. Overall, my TESDA experience was transformative.